ఎర్రగడ్డలో దాడి ఘటనపై డీసీపీ శ్రీనివాస్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
And then he was trying to go to one of his relatives' house where we suspected, and our SI, who was laying a trap for him, he could get him there in MS Makta. I told him the motive was he has got 2-3 strong reasons. One is without his information and knowledge, his daughter got married. He says that she should have told him so that he could have got her marriage performed. That is one. Second is after the marriage also the daughter was not very receptive to him when he was calling her to his house. So she did not accept his request to come to the house 2-3 times whenever he was calling. So all this he was bearing in mind, and that grudge was there for him. He says that because he has loved her so much, because she didn't listen to him and neither did she tell her before the marriage, that is why he has committed this offense.
That sickle, sir? Weapon?
It was with him.
Like
That sickle, he got from one of the coconut vendors who was there on the road. When that person went to have lunch, from there he picked up this sickle.
Did he say anything about that? He took inspiration from the recent attack in Jaipur?
No. There is nothing of that sort. Because this is definitely an isolated incident. From what I am telling, you can understand. And from what I am talking is, after having a detailed discussion with him why he has committed this offence, I am telling you.
Sir, around what time he was arrested, sir?
Around 6:30. This offence took place at around 3:15. We arrested him by around 6:30.
Attempt to murder case, sir?
Yeah. Attempt to murder and SC/ST atrocities act.
How is her health condition, sir?
Doctors are telling that she is critical. However, a team of doctors are operating on her. Maybe it will take another 2-3 hours to this operation to be completed. And doctor said it will take about 24 hours to tell what the stage of the patient is.
It is a 10-hour long surgery, sir.
That is, yeah. It's a 10-hour long surgery. Yes.
And has he been discharged, or is he still continuing to be at Nilima Hospital?
No, he is discharged from Nilima Hospital.
Okay.
Discharged from Nilima Hospital. Yes.
And you were earlier telling that he has no intention to kill or attack Sandeep.
No, because that is proved by the fact that he has called only his daughter. He has telephoned his daughter and he has asked his daughter to come. If he would have had that intention, he would have called the son-in-law. And he is also stating now, after we have inquired with him, he is telling that he has no intention to do whatsoever cause harm to his son-in-law. That much is very clear on that.
But then why did he launch for the son-in-law? That was it because of his investigation, or
He first attacked the son-in-law.
In the CCTV footage, it is appearing that he has attacked his son-in-law. But if you can see the nature of the injuries caused, the nature of injuries caused are very, very minor to the son-in-law, but very serious, grievous injuries to the daughter.
was it premeditated? Was he thinking for a past 2-3 days, or it's born?
No, he says only today he has had that mind. After that only he bought that sickle, and then he committed this offence.
So did he possess the weapon, or did he took it from someone?
That weapon he took it from one coconut vendor.
Okay.
And what did he do after the murder with the weapon?
He put it back in the bag, and then we recovered it from him.
Did
That
he
sickle
know about for how long he has been knowing about the relationship between the daughter and the...
Since marriage, he says he was not aware before
He was
that.
not aware before that.
So, but the family members were claiming that they were aware of the relationship for the last 4 to 5 years.
Yeah.
He says that his wife and son were aware. That is what he says. But he was not aware.
And what was the police action, sir, when they approached police on 12th of this month? Like, did they counsel them, both the parents?
Of course, see, whenever people...